Super Beetle Saturday. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna work on the carpet, and you can see that I put some things down to help with the noise and the vibrations. Back seat. I put the rear panels in. They were a bitch, I gotta be honest. Least favorite part thus far, but luckily it's pretty straightforward. And I've done the door, passenger and driver before today just to try them out, and they were much easier. These were just kind of hard to finagle in, but it's getting there. So you can see I was messing with the carpet, just trying to get an idea of where to lay it down, and we are going to use spray adhesive because that's all I could find, or we could find at the auto body store. The other half's tried it out and said it works good on his project, so we're gonna get going. I'm just gonna re-vacuum. Got a little dirt in here. Yeah, more to come. All right, I mentioned before that I love my music, so I just fed through the speaker wire here before I put the carpet in. So I'm using my fabulous neon tie-dye type zip ties that I've had forever and a day. They make me happy. That's all that really matters. Okay, so I'm just gonna see. I just used an existing spot to feed that through. It's a little tricky. I just used the flathead screwdriver to open up the grommet and get through. So anyway, so I'm gonna run it. See here, I'm gonna run it all the way down and then back. Hey guys, I'm back with a quick update on the carpet install. You can see that I've gotten pretty far along, so I just wanted to highlight a couple things. I'm really stoked about it, actually. I think it looks really great. I told you before I got TMI product oatmeal, I'm pretty sure is the name of the color that I got. I was a little worried because of the variety when I then realized kind of the almond, if you will, on the headliner. I thought it was going to be a little too much, but I went with my gut, hoping that the lighter colors here would kind of pull through with the brighter or the lighter colors up above, and it's actually working out really nice. So again, not super prettied up quite yet, but the crux of it is done. So a couple of things I would say that I learned through installation here. You know, first of all, just take note there, at least for me, I got no diagrams when I got this. So aside from watching a ton of YouTube videos and just kind of, you know, using common sense around where the finished portions were versus where there wasn't finished portions. I actually don't have any to show you. I guess that's a good thing at this point. But I really like how this came out. I think it really makes the finish look nice. You can see behind the gas pedal here and the clutch, there's a nice cutout. You have to be really careful to make sure it's fully tucked back there for obvious reasons, I would say. Again, I used the spray adhesive, a little messier. My hands are probably product of that at this point, to say the least. Is it perfect? No, but I like it. I think it looks pretty stellar considering it's the first installation. I've got a couple spots here that I could nitpick, and I'm sure I will over time with myself, but the good news is the driver's and passenger seat will be here. So yeah, I think everything was pretty straightforward. I would say the hardest part was probably just getting this piece into the channel. And more just because, honestly, I've got a bit of an achy wrist today, so the motion was not favorable. But I used my trusty homemade mallet and got it to go back down, and everything is seated in there pretty nicely. So I haven't installed the seat belts or anything like that. We've got a ways to go. And I'll show you kind of the kick plates that I've got and what my plans are to make them match kind of the carpet, because right now they're black. So really it's just the back that I've got to continue to install. That's not actually secured, so that's more just for reference for myself. But you can see it's coming along pretty nice. We've got the side panels in. And the headliner still there, yay. Peace. All right, hey guys, so it's amazing. I don't know about you, but we have a bunch of Tupperwares that have a bunch of extra parts in them. It's like a treasure hunt. So I was able to find two, sorry for the awful pants below, but I was able to find two of the rear kick panels. So they aren't the color I want. So they were a little dirty. I put some, well, we're kind of debating between 409 and some Windex here, but I'm being told I must wash them afterwards so that the paint works well. I was trying to be lazy for the late night, but anyway, so cleaning them up, they're in pretty decent shape. I'd say this one's seen a few extra years perhaps, but anyway, so I'm gonna spray them with, all right, so this is the paint I'm going to attempt to use. So actually the color of the top is shown over there. So the idea is to just get it as close as I can to the carpet, which is an oatmeal, if you remember, that I picked from the TMI selection. So, so I'm going to spray these up. First, I'm going to apparently wash them with some soap and water to make sure that there's no oil residue. I'm going to do that as instructed. And then from there, I'm just going to spray them out and make them look as good as I can. So more to come.